Hello, dear students and faculties. I welcome all of you in this 2 days workshop, online workshop on Laravel introduction and authentication. Myself, Professor Paras Kadaria, and I am working in Information and Technology Department at Atmi University, Rajkot. So, during this 2 days workshop, we are having distinguished students from different colleges of Atmi as well as other colleges of Gujarat. We are having formal subject of Laravel in our information and technology department. As a part of that, I thought that let us have a 2 days industrial expert session on Laravel. So as a part of that, all of you are invited in this workshop, and I congratulate all of you for this, for registering this workshop, and I'm sure that we'll get very good technical skills at the end of this workshop. With in this opening ceremony of the workshop, our principal, Dr. G.D. Acharya sir, and head of department, Dr. Darshan Jani, Professor Darshan Jani is also with us. So, first of all, I would like to welcome both the distinguished faculties, and I would like to hand over the mic to our head of department, Dr. Darshan Jani, so that he will motivate in welcome and guide you for the workshop. Thank you very much.
Hello. First of all, congratulations to all the students who have participated in this brainstorming session. I thank the entire Atmi University, our principal G.D. Acharya sir, who constantly motivates us to work for students and for betterment for faculties as well as students. I'm also thankful to Sheikh Asghar Ali, our alumni of IT department, who is going to take the session. I'm also thankful to the entire IT department as well as the faculty coordinator for this event, Paras sir, who constantly worked hard for the success of this event. And at last, again, the participation of students. The more interactive you make the session, the more you will get benefit of it. And at last, I would like to say that Sheikh Asghar Ali is one of the most was one of the most sincere student, and he has got great amount of knowledge about this topic, and the topic which is basically the current trending topic of the market. I would request all the students to take utmost benefit for the same. Again, thanking one and all, and hope for very active participation from all. Thank you, and have a nice day.
Thank you very much, sir, for your appreciating work. I would also like to invite Dr. G.D. Acharya, sir, for his knowledgeable works and guide today's participant. So, over to you, sir.
Now, good morning, all of you. With the divine presence of Param Pujya Hari Prasad Swamiji, our mentor and guide, Param Pujya Tyag Vallabh Swamiji, my beloved Atmiya students and alumni, I welcome you all in this Laravel session of 2 days. First of all, I congratulate the IT department head, Professor Jani, coordinator, Professor Kalaria, and my beloved students. Really, this type of session is very useful because there are two alternatives or two ways we have to watch these things. First of all, our alumni is connected with this session. So it is a close interaction with our alumni. That is a very much, we can say, it shows a very much close relationship of department with the alumni. That is one. Second thing, when alumni is sharing the session, he has passed through this IT program for 4 years, so he knows the real situation of the program and the real situation of the market. So he is connecting both the end by which we can just prosper, or we can just think about the better future of our current students. Now, during this 2 days session, Mr. Sheikh Asghar Ali, Senior Developer, Vacancy Technology, Bangalore, he will cover Laravel, code base and file based structure, admin panel module, and most important point, which I feel most important, is troubleshooting and error solving. Because in market, everybody needs a problem solver. And to solve the problem, it is not so easy. When you are having in-depth knowledge of anything, then and then you can able to solve the problem. And over and above, the last point, which is more crucial for you, that is tips for interview. When Mr. Asghar Ali entered in the world of work, what experience he has faced, what type of question people are asking, the same thing he will share with you, and you learn a lot. Before I conclude the session, my request to all the participants, your success depends on the 3B, book, ball pen and brain. You must be very attentive for each and everything, and the things which Mr. Asghar Ali is explaining to you, you should note it down. So with the book and ball pen and your attention, it gives you a better future in coming days. Nowadays, in a current market, it is a very high demand of IT and computer branch. Same way, you also develop your particular skill which are demanded by the market. So all the best for your golden future. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, Mr. Asghar Ali. I am very happy to learn that you are alumni of our institutions. Thank you very much again. All the best to all. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much, sir, as well as thank you, head of the department, Professor Jani. Sir has rightly said that 3B's principle works for every session, in fact, for life also. That write it down, everything, whatever you are learning throughout this workshop. But rather than for this workshop, I will say that this workshop is a completely hands-on session. So
Very
that
nice.
much, yeah. So not that much theoretical part is there, but theory is also wrapped with the practical. So I request all the participants that you are parallelly requested to do the practicals which our industrial expert is guiding you. So thank you very much, sir. Now let me welcome our today's expert guest, our alumni, the student, and one of my very obedient student, Mr. Sheikh Asghar Ali. Mr. Sheikh Asghar Ali, as Professor Jani also said, that one of the obedient and very knowledgeable person throughout his student life also. So let me formally introduce him. He is working right now with Vacancy Technologies, Pune, and he is having vast experience in working PHP-based framework like Laravel, Coordinator, and Ye frameworks. He also worked in Python automation with Raspberry Pi hardware device more than 3.5 years. Then he is also have a vast experience in working with DevOps, LAMP, and web ERP development, etc. Apart from this, he is having various technical skills like handling MySQL, PostgreSQL, and Redis database. He is also having non-technical experience like leading the team with 4 to 5 member or 10 member in his career life, and solid knowledge in field of web services like SOAP, REST, and XML, JSON developer-based web services, and handling the APIs also. Apart from this, he is also having experience in managing code-based system using tools like GitHub, Bitbucket, GitLab, etc. So this is a large set of skills which he knows and will surely get to know as the workshop progresses. So without wasting much time, uh, by remembering the our Guru Hari Prasad Swamiji Maharaj and Param Pujya Tyag Vallabh Swamiji, and feeling gratitude in the feet of the pious feet of Swamiji, I would like to invite, on behalf of Information and Technology Department, our today's guest expert, Mr. Sheikh Asghar Ali, and start today's session. Before starting the session, just 1 minute break, and I will share some rules rules and regulations which we are going to follow throughout the session. So that's it. Thank you very much. We'll start the session now.
Good morning, all of you. Thank you so much for the lovely word, Paras sir. I'd like to thank you, Paras sir, Darshan sir, our HOD, and GD Acharya sir. As I am an anomaly, that I know that how it feels to be a part of Atmiyans, and I know the journey of the 4 years. So let me give some brief introduction myself. As Paras sir has already told everything about me, then let's give the short introduction to me, that I'll pass out from the Atmiya on 2017. I started my work from the industry on itself. I just selected from the college placement. I started my career with the Python and embedded device. And after I also worked on AWS, Amazon TV server. So on that, we need to develop a Node.js application, TV application. So after that, I moved to the Laravel. I had the experience of leading the team also. I lead the team also, and right now leading the team. I'm a senior developer. So it has been very great to see that Paras sir is organizing a Laravel session for you guys. It's a very great opportunity for you to get to know the industry market before you come. So it has been very good preparation for you guys to be ready for the next, come up with the market with your ideas and your communication skills and your attitude. Thank you, sir. Paras sir, you can present it, and then I will start the session. Thank you. Thank you.
Okay, thank you very much. Just 1 minute break. We'll resume the session. Just a second.